In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PMP to LinkedIn. If you've recently earned your project management professional certification, adding it to LinkedIn is a great way to make your profile stronger and more credible. It helps recruiters, hiring managers, and professional connections quickly see your qualification, and it can also improve your visibility in search results for project management roles. To get started, go to LinkedIn and sign in to your account. Once you are on the homepage, look toward the top of the screen and click the Me menu, or simply click your profile picture. From there, choose View Profile. This will take you to your main profile page where you can edit and add important professional details. Next, look for the Add Section button underneath your intro card near the top of your profile. Click that button and LinkedIn will open a new window with several options for things you can add to your profile. In that pop-up window, make sure you are under the Recommended tab, since that's where LinkedIn usually places the most relevant profile additions. From the list, select Licenses and Certifications. This is the section where you will enter your PMP information so it appears properly on your profile. Now you will fill in the certification details. For the certification name, enter Project Management Professional, followed by PMP if you'd like it to be clear and searchable. For the issuing organization, enter Project Management Institute, or PMI. For the issue date, select the month and year that you officially passed or received the certification. Be as accurate as possible here since this helps keep your profile professional and consistent. In the Credential ID field, enter your unique certification number provided by PMI. Make sure you use your own official ID and double-check it for accuracy before moving on. Then, in the Credential URL field, paste a link to your digital badge, such as one from a certification badge platform. Or use your certificate verification link, if that's what you have available. This gives viewers a way to verify the certification directly, which adds an extra level of trust. Once everything is filled in, review the details one more time to make sure there are no typos or missing fields. When you are ready, click Save. That's it. Your PMP certification should now appear in the Licenses and Certifications section of your LinkedIn profile, helping showcase your achievement in a clear and professional way. Thanks for watching.